Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use slide loading apps on iPhone latest iOS 17.4. As you know, Apple introducing the new feature that allowed you to use the slide loading app. So in this video I'm gonna show you after releasing that feature how you can use this, which setting you must need to change right now to use slide loading app. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly you need to open your iPhone settings app. In settings section you need to scroll down and tap on screen time. Okay, after tapping the screen time you need to scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that. Okay, after tapping that you need to tap on allow apps, content restrictions, and iTunes App Store purchase. You just select the allow apps. Okay, after tapping the allow apps, make sure all that feature is turned on your iPhone. After that, you need to go back and tap on content restrictions. Tap on that and wait for a few seconds. Okay, make sure these all settings is also turned on, and this option web content is also selected on unrestricted. Okay, after that you need to go back, and the first option you can see appears on screen, iTunes and App Store purchase. Tap on that. Okay, now you can see installing apps. Make sure this option is also selected on allow. After that, when that option available in your country or region, you can easily use the slide loading apps on your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.